The Honor 70 series has unveiled its 3 models, including the first number series flagship since the 30 Pro Plus. The Honor 70 Pro and Pro Plus are quite similar, differing mainly in the choice of the chipset. Honor 70 stands as the affordable version. In this video, I will unveil the specifications of the Honor 70 Pro. Welcome to EduTech Reviews. Please subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. Let's get into the video. It is no doubt that the latest flagship phones now support 5G connectivity, which is quite intriguing, and the Honor 70 Pro is not far from it as it supports the 5G network technology. The Honor 70 Pro was announced with its sibling the Honor 70 Pro Plus on May 30, 2022. The Honor 70 Pro supports dual SIM. In addition, the Honor 70 Pro has an under-the-display fingerprint sensor. Honor 70 Pro appears in black, green, gold, and silver. Looking at the phone's display features, the Honor 70 Pro comes with a 6.5 inches screen size and a 1200 by 2652 pixel resolution display with 429 ppi density. It has an OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1 billion colors, which enable the phone's fast performance owing to the fast refresh rate, which acts to make your swiping and scrolling smoother. In addition, the OLED display quality will make viewing movies with the Honor 70 Pro great. Meanwhile, the dimension of the Honor 700 Pro measures 163.9 by 74.6 by 8.2 mm in body size and 192 grams in weight, making the overall size of the phone more compatible to carry. Performance-wise, the Honor 70 Pro operates on an octa-core processor and a MediaTek Dimensity 8000 chipset. The Honor 70 Pro is equipped with the Mali G610 graphics processing unit and runs on Android version 12 operating system with Magic UI 6.1. Playing games and doing intensive tasks on the Honor 70 Pro will be slightly smooth. The Honor 70 Pro comes with 256GB to 512GB ROM and 8GB to 12GB RAM. Meanwhile, the Honor 70 Pro does not have a slot for a micro SD memory card. Looking at the camera of the Honor has a triple rear camera setup. It features a 54-megapixel main camera with dual pixel autofocus features and is supported by an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with optical image stabilizer and another 50-megapixel 16mm ultra-wide camera with autofocus. The rear camera on the Honor 70 Pro can shoot videos in 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second. Also, the selfie camera of the Honor 70 Pro has a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and can shoot videos both in 4K and 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Honor 70 Pro is powered with a 4500 mAh non-removable battery and has support for a 100-watt fast charging. The Honor 70 Pro also supports reverse charging and has a USB Type-C 2.0 port. Based on the reviews, what do you think of this flagship phone? I will love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Please do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you will be the first to see my videos. Thank you.